In this video, I'll show you how to tag multiple contacts in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Once you are on the Audience section, it will automatically show you the list of all of your contacts. Now, in order for you to tag multiple contacts at once, what you need to do is simply head over to a contact. On the left-hand side, you want to click on the checkbox in order for you to select them. Now, once you have your contacts selected, what you can do is select multiple contacts in order for you to add them to the same tag. Once you're done, head over to the top and click on the first option, which is Tag Contacts. Once you do that, it will show you the list of all of your tags. From here, you can either choose a tag. You can also search for an existing tag on the search bar. From here, let's search for VIP. Once you do that at the bottom, you will automatically see that tag. You can also set up a tag by simply clicking on Create. Now, once you have selected your tag, what you can also do is select multiple tags within these recipients. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and make sure that the action that we will choose is Add Tags. At the bottom in the right corner, click on Apply. And once you click on Apply, a banner will show at the bottom stating that 3 tags were added within these contacts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.